Hey fasters, time for another video. Burgers, fries, milkshakes. Who doesn't love having them now and then? In our love for rich, easy to eat, and yummy foods, we have made our bodies used to eat so much grease-filled junk food that we do not realize the unhealthy effects that these foods indirectly have on our health. Some of the common unhealthy impacts that these foods have on our health include unnecessary bloating, acid reflux, and of course, the most dreaded one, weight gain. And the sad part about it is that we are not willing to give these foods up. Because, let's be honest here, who wants to ever give up on those delicious pizzas and burgers? So, what to do in such a situation then? The answer is simple. We start eating clean. Clean eating is considered to be one of the simplest yet healthiest ways of practicing a healthy and guilt-free lifestyle. I know, you must be probably rolling your eyes after hearing this and wondering, it's easier said than done. But what if I tell you that I have a foolproof and easy to follow way for that? Yup, that's right. In today's video, you will learn 9 easy ways to start eating clean. Trust me, by the end of this video, you would have never thought that giving up your bad eating habits to start your journey towards a clean eating lifestyle could be so easy and simple to follow. Before we get started, my name is Christian and I've been doing intermittent fasting for 4 years now. In this channel, I talk about intermittent fasting and natural weight loss content so you can live a whole lot longer. If that sounds exciting to you, tap the subscribe button so you won't miss my weekly videos. I'd love to have you part of my community. Number 9. Incorporate more fruits and veggies in your diet. Did you know that approximately 87% of people in America do not eat enough vegetables that could be considered a healthy habit? It is indeed a scientifically proven fact that with fruits and vegetables, you can never go wrong. Fruits and vegetables are an important source of several important nutrients that help you fight off different infections and diseases. Moreover, these fruits and vegetables improve your gut health and also help you in avoiding several chronic diseases such as hypertension, obesity, diabetes, and others. So, it's better that you take care of adding more of all fruits and vegetables to your diet. The more the merrier, right? Number 8. Learn to keep your sugar cravings at bay. Healthy eating requires you to keep your entire diet clean and as natural as possible. Therefore, sorry to break it to you, but your sugar-filled goodies, cakes, biscuits, ice cream, and other delicacies need to be put away for a long time. Apart from fulfilling your sweet tooth cravings, these sweet food items also do more harm than good. It has been found that several conditions such as obesity, diabetes, and fatty liver occur due to the excessive consumption of sugar. This damage certainly doesn't occur in a day. It takes years and years of unhealthy eating to make your body develop these conditions. However, don't lose hope. You have delicious fruits to keep you company. The sugar content found in fruits would almost never harm you. Really quick, I have an ebook that is filled with all the secrets to losing weight. It's called All About Fasting, the ultimate guide to intermittent fasting. What's more is that you can use the code AAF5 to get $5 off the ebook. Make sure to check the link in the description. Number 7. Cut down on processed food intake. While you may easily get fooled into thinking that processed foods save time and could be an easy on-the-go sort of meal, the opposite is true. Processed foods are more hazardous than they seem to be. Notice how whenever you open up a can of processed food or meat, it always seems to be in the perfect condition no matter how old it is? Also, have you seen that the color of the food is always so bright, making you think as if it was freshly put into the can a little while ago? This is because of the artificial colors and nitrates that are added to processed food to make it appear all delicious, tempting, and as fresh as ever. In reality, these preservatives could cause serious diseases and also alter your health status. Plus, it's always better to be safe than sorry, right? Number 6. Know what you're eating. Just because you researched and found that fruits, vegetables, and nuts are the major healthy foods that you need to start with your healthy eating journey does not mean that it would prove to be true as well. We all have different bodies and our bodies perceive every change differently. Therefore, instead of filling up your body with just one type of food item, it is always better and beneficial for you to incorporate all 3 important food groups: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in balanced quantities. Do your research, find out foods that are rich sources of these food groups, and include them in your diet. This is essential because the body needs all three food groups for its proper functioning. You surely wouldn't want your body to miss out on its fuel and energy source, would you? Number 5. Hold back on your snacking. You wouldn't believe this, but what you consider your harmless midnight munching or snacking is what is totally contradictory to being healthy. These snack items such as cookies, crackers, popcorn, muffins, and others are not only made from processed ingredients, but are also responsible for unnecessarily elevating your blood glucose levels, which should not be interfered with. Therefore, instead of letting these snacks get the best of you, plan and try to give up this unhealthy habit. Before I continue, I have a really small request. Videos on my channel take considerable time to make because I want to create the best content for you and other viewers. If you can hit the like button, it really helps the channel. And if you want to see more fun videos like this, tap the subscribe button so you won't miss my weekly videos. Number 4. Make water your best friend. I know this may sound a bit sad to you, but to start your journey towards eating clean, you need to break your friendship with sodas, frappuccinos, energy drinks, and other sweetened drinks. As energizing and refreshing as they appear to you, they are indeed very unhealthy. Not only do they contain excessive amounts of sugar content in them, but are also heavy on the heart and gut. So why not choose a healthier and harmless friend instead? Trust the research and let water do its work. It won't surely harm your body. And now, as promised, come the top 3 easy ways to start eating clean. You're in for a ride because, trust me, nobody would have ever told you about these amazing tips. Number 3. Eat in smaller plates. Don't worry, nobody's asking you to eat less than what you eat right now. Instead, what we're asking you to do is to opt for small-sized plates if you had been used to eating in larger ones all your life. You might be confused as to why is this important for clean eating. Well, eating from a small plate ensures that you will be taking out food in smaller than your usual portions. This means that even if the small plate appears to be full, it would be lesser in quantity than the large-sized plate. Your brain would get programmed to eat from the small-sized plate, and as soon as you finish off the last bite, you would automatically feel fuller. This promotes early satiety and makes you avoid overeating, which then further causes bloating. Turns out, it is not the more the merrier, but smaller and happier that works here instead. Number 2. Plan your meals, because you can. Instead of ordering your favorite pasta or pizza from your favorite restaurant, why not try to recreate it? Trust me on this, innovation is undoubtedly the best form of creativity. Trying to recreate your favorite recipe would not only give you immense joy and pleasure, but in doing so, you can also offer healthier alternatives instead of the usual ones. For example, using vegetables instead of chicken or substituting salt seasoning with herbs one. This way, you will have full control over the number and nature of ingredients that are going in the recipe. Bring that chef cap on already! Number 1. Take one step at a time. Last but not least, there's no need to go hard on yourself. Eating clean and healthy is supposed to be a slow and peaceful journey. There's no need to rush things. Instead, taking one step at a time would ensure you a lasting and successful journey at the end of it. And this way, you can successfully incorporate clean eating into your life the foolproof way. So, which tip was it that proved to be the game changer for you? Which one is it that you would start your journey with? Do let us know your comments below. Want to watch another health video? Click that video on the right.